So on one occasion, especially last Monday itself, the news was highlighted in the almost all newspapers that because of the VIP movement, there was a loss of about 46 lakh liters of fuel. There was a wastage of 46 lakh liters of fuel, and it resulted into loss of about 44 lakh rupees. It resulted into about 44 lakh rupees. So if this kind of trend will continue, if we are considering entire India, it will result into huge loss of amount as well as economic loss as well as the impact on the human health. So there we need to find out some best solutions to mitigate the problem of traffic congestion, and Delhi government is exploring one solution that is called as traffic congestion tax. So traffic congestion tax is the tax which will be incurred on the vehicles which are passing through the areas which are called as traffic congested points. There are 170 traffic congestion points in Delhi which are identified by the government of Delhi, and the vehicle will go through these traffic congestion points through the during the peak time. They will be charged for violation of the rules, and the charge will be automatically deducted through the fast tag. So this is traffic congestion tax. So that traffic congestion tax will be implemented. Vehicles will not dare to go through these traffic congestion points, and they will the government will also try to promote the public transport. During peak time, people will not go through that point. So this is called a traffic congestion charge. So very important solution. Besides this, there are number of solutions which government can take, and first very important is the expansion of the metro lines. So wherever there are no metro lines, the government, it is priority of the government has to give the priority to expand the network of the government, and it has to be it is in the reach of the all people of Delhi who are living in Delhi. Everyone should get an access, and it should be very close to their destiny. So this is one of the important steps which government has to take. So this point.